How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing Pandachen's OG batch Balenciaga Triple S in the black colorway. I got these for 600 yuan plus 200 yuan shipping, and it came out to about $118 shipped to the United States. So first off, we got the box right here, gray Balenciaga box with the size tag and model tag right here. As you can see, size 45, Balenciaga Triple S. When you first open up the box, you see the extra laces, the Balenciaga dust bag, you got some paper, and here we go, here's the shoes. Some common flaws on these shoes are messy stitching on the Balenciaga print, as well as the toe sizing, but overall on this pair I'm happy with the stitching on them. Some other flaws is the font on this Balenciaga text sometimes is different than on the Balenciaga on the heel, as well as the Balenciaga on the sole, but for me that's not much of an issue. For these shoes, I would recommend sizing down once. If you're a size 42, I would go for a 41. I'm a US size 13, and I went for a US size 12, and they didn't fit too bad. I did take out the insole, though. Overall, I'm happy with what I paid, and the seller was very good at communicating. This is not the first pair I've bought from him, and it definitely will not be the last. I'm going to go ahead and throw these on feet and show you what they look like. So the final verdict for these shoes, I would highly recommend these if you're looking for the Balenciaga Triple S and don't want to spend as much as $200 to $250 for the higher end batches. OG batch from Pandachen, $118 shipped. I give this one a 5 out of 5. All contact information will be in the description to purchase these shoes. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or message me on my Instagram, which will be in the description. Thank you guys for staying tuned.